Check. Check, check, check.
Hey guys, it's Phil Caruso with the agency in Orange County. We're super stoked tonight. We are having Matt Costa, Adam Topol, Raul from Ozzy Motley, and Hello Forever perform tonight in Newport Beach at the Dover House.
It won't take much to stay.
Sofar Sounds is a community of artists and people who like to listen to music. Wherever you are in the world, you can find local music. As well as tonight, we've brought in some artists that are from all over the world.
Why so hard from the start? But I learned that love songs, they're just spirits that live on the radio. If I wrote down the things that you said, my friends would say that I'd be better off dead. I know you didn't mean it. Those words that disappear from my head.
We had an amazing night with Sofar Sounds. We were showcasing the community with friends, family, and some of the best musicians in Orange County. Hopefully we'll see you at the next show.
Yesterday is